Tap on the layer thumbnail to see the options pop up. Tap on mask icon to add a mask to a current layer. The mask is initially filled with white, so it reveals the entire layer content. If you tap on mask, you will see its options pop up. We will discuss each option one by one. Tap on fill. It will fill black color to mask and makes the layer content invisible. Black color hides the content. Select white color to reveal the content of layer. White color reveals the layer content. Tap on clear. It will fill the mask with white, and erase the mask. Tap on invert to create the negative mask. You can hide the mask. You can delete the mask. You can also select the mask by tapping on select option. Tap on the apply mask. This permanently deletes the masked out area from the content layer. If off, the mask will be transformed independently. Turn on the link to transform the mask along with its content layer. Mask is best in removing background unless eraser and select. For example, if I want to remove the board, I can use mask. First, hide the board content using black. Then use the white color to restore the content using soft cornered brush. Decrease the opacity of mask for better experience. White color reveals the layer content. Here you can see, the board is removed neatly using mask. Import an PNG image. Change its background color. Duplicate the layer. Hide the above layer. Go to lower layer. Select black and white filter. Apply filter. Show the above layer. Add a layer. And draw a rectangle using solid fill. Duplicate the shape. And select solid fill eraser. And arrange the shape. Now select the rectangle layer and add a mask to it. Now hide the content using black color. Now go to Grapes layer, add a mask to this layer. Select the mask layer and tap on Fill. Now use white color to restore the content. And it's done. Merge the mask layer with its content layer. Now duplicate the rectangle layer. Lock the layer and fill it with black color using solid fill. Now unlock the layer. Select Blur Filter. Apply Blur Filter. Now arrange the shadow layer. Add text according to your desire. And it's done.